G'day, this is a quick video on how to do something that I'm not good at. Every time I hook these barb fittings up to a hose like this, I always find that they leak slowly. I can never get these little Jubilee clips or hose clamps to do up tight enough. If I do them up really tight, they just snap. If I do them up before they snap, it always leaks air when you're doing about 100 psi. You can hear them going. So I came up with a really cool modification because I had a whole bunch of them around my workshop and they're all leaking, and I do like to leave my compressor charged up. So I just made these and these work incredibly good. What it is, it's just a piece of wood, bit of plywood, about 12 millimeters thick. And I can't remember how I made them because I made a whole bunch of them about a year ago, but I think I just used a hole saw and then drilled a hole, and then you just cut a relief slot there so that they can clamp up, and then you just put your big powerful hose clamp on instead of these stupid little ones like those. And when you crank that up, boy, I don't know how much gain there is, but I'm going to say because of the clamp size and the mechanical gain, probably somewhere between 5 times and 10 times more clamping ability. And I've got them all over the workshop. Here's an example here. Sorry about the light. So you can see one where it's hooked onto my compressor, and that can just sit there all day without leaking. And I've got them all over the workshop. I mean, even under here there's another little sneaky one. So that is my little tip of the day. I'm sure in the comments some of you are going to say, you know, you could just do it properly and use crimps. Well, I don't have all that gear, so this is my bodge method. Anyway, cheers.